Welcome to our guide on making the perfect steak. The journey begins with choosing the right cut, a crucial step in crafting a delicious meal. Today, we'll explore four popular options: ribeye, New York strip, filet mignon, and T-bone or porterhouse. Each offers unique flavors and textures, with the ribeye known for its rich, juicy taste due to its marbling. The New York strip provides a perfect balance of tenderness and beefiness. Filet mignon is the go-to for supreme tenderness, while the T-bone combines the best of both worlds with tenderloin and strip steak. Selecting the perfect cut is your first step towards steak perfection, setting the stage for an unforgettable cooking experience. Remember, the right cut is not just a choice, it's a promise of a great meal ahead. Stay tuned as we dive into preparing your steak for cooking success. Preparation is key when crafting the perfect steak. Begin by bringing your steak to room temperature. This ensures even cooking throughout. Take it out of the fridge about 30 to 45 minutes before you plan to cook. Next, pat your steak dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving that coveted crispy crust, as moisture is the enemy of a good sear. Now, it's time to season. Generously sprinkle kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper on both sides of the steak. This simple seasoning enhances the natural flavors, allowing the steak's richness to shine through. Remember, a well-prepared steak not only tantalizes the taste buds, but also elevates your entire dining experience. With these steps, you're one step closer to achieving steak perfection. In our next segment, we'll dive into cooking techniques that bring out the best in your steak. Let's dive into the art of cooking the perfect steak. Begin by heating your cast iron skillet until it's piping hot. This is essential for achieving that enviable crust. Now gently lay your steak into the pan, letting it sizzle undisturbed for 2 to 3 minutes. This is where the magic begins, as the caramelization creates a delectable crust. Next, flip the steak with care, allowing it to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. It's time to elevate the flavors. Add a dollop of butter, a few crushed garlic cloves, and sprigs of fresh rosemary or thyme. As the butter melts, use a spoon to baste the steak with this aromatic blend, infusing each bite with rich, savory notes. Pan searing not only creates a mouthwatering crust, but also locks in the juices, ensuring a juicy interior. Remember, patience is key. Let the steak develop its flavors and textures. As we savor this step, prepare to transition into checking for doneness and resting your masterpiece. These next steps will ensure your steak is as tender as it is flavorful. Stay tuned to master these final touches that will make your steak truly unforgettable. Now that your steak is sizzling away, it's time to ensure it's cooked to perfection. Use a meat thermometer for accuracy, checking the internal temperature based on your preference. For a rare steak, aim for 120 to 125 degrees Fahrenheit. Medium rare should hit 130 to 135 degrees, while medium lands between 140 and 145 degrees. Once you've achieved the desired doneness, resist the urge to dive in immediately. Instead, let your steak rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This crucial step allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring each bite is as juicy and tender as possible. As your steak rests, you'll find that its flavor and texture are enhanced, making it well worth the wait. So remember, check doneness with precision and let it rest for a perfect dining experience. Up next, we'll explore some exciting alternative methods and tips for serving your masterpiece. As we conclude our journey to steak perfection, remember that variety is the spice of life. Explore alternative methods like reverse searing, grilling, or the precision of sous vide. Each offers a unique twist on flavor and texture. Once cooked, always slice against the grain to ensure every bite is tender and delightful. Present your masterpiece with pride, knowing you've mastered the art of steak preparation. Whether you're savoring the rich marbling of a ribeye or the delicate tenderness of a filet mignon, the joy of a perfect steak is now yours to share. Thank you for joining us on this culinary adventure. Happy cooking and bon appetit!